I'm here with my colleague Klaus. Klaus, what is this? What is this product?
Yeah, this is our extreme robust linear scale RLA 4000, which we have developed for a special application in a steel plant.
How does it work in a steel plant?
In the steel plant, we start from a big, massive piece of iron, which the customer then rolls down to a flat metal sheet. And to have a precise height of the metal sheet, he needs to measure the gap between the two rolls. And in the past, this has been done with an incremental scale, where the customer always had to do a referencing when he lost the position. And with our new RLA, we now have an absolute measuring device where the customer, as soon as he connects to the RLA, gets an absolute value for the gap, distance, so he doesn't need to do the referencing all the time. And that improves his performance and his accuracy in the measuring of the gap.
Okay, thank you so much, Klaus. And thank you.